Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of AppFlowy. AppFlowy has grown from being an interesting open source alternative into one of the most complete productivity platforms available right now. It now combines note-taking, databases, project management, AI, collaboration, and self-hosting into one package. So here's the big question: is AppFlowy finally the Notion killer in 2026? In this video, I'll cover everything you need to know, including what AppFlowy is, its biggest features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and whether it's actually worth switching to. So let's get started. At its core, AppFlowy is an all-in-one productivity workspace designed for individuals and teams. Think of it as a combination of Notion, Obsidian, Trello, Eatable, and AI assistants all inside one application. What immediately makes AppFlowy different from most competitors is its philosophy. Instead of locking your information inside a company's servers, AppFlowy is built around ownership and privacy. You can use it completely offline, and you can self-host it on your own server. You can even run local AI models directly on your own computer without sending your documents to cloud providers. That's a huge advantage for businesses, for developers, for researchers, journalists, healthcare professionals, and anyone dealing with sensitive information. Now let us talk about the main features of AppFlowy. Powerful document editor. The editor supports headings, tables, images, videos, PDFs, code blocks, mathematical equations, callouts, toggle lists, meme diagrams, embeds, bookmarks, and many other content blocks. Everything can be organized exactly how you want. It feels clean, responsive, and suitable for everything from quick notes to full documentation. Advanced databases. One of AppFlowy's biggest strengths is the database system. Databases also support advanced filters, relations, rollups, grouping, sorting, formulas, templates, and bulk editing. Recent updates have significantly expanded these capabilities. Built-in AI. AI has become one of AppFlowy's biggest selling points. Unlike many competitors, AppFlowy lets users choose different AI models, including cloud models like GPT, Gemini, and Claude, or run supported local models for maximum privacy. Then there's the offline mode. Yes, this is a feature that many people overlook. AppFlowy works completely offline, so you can continue editing documents even without internet access and sync later when you're back online. For frequent travelers or privacy-conscious users, that's a major benefit. Then you can self-host. Businesses often avoid SaaS platforms because they don't want sensitive company information stored externally. So AppFlowy solves this by allowing organizations to host everything themselves, and that means complete ownership of data, infrastructure, backups, and security. Next, there's collaboration. Teams can share pages, leave comments, mention teammates, receive notifications, collaborate on documents, track document history, and even restore previous versions. Another great thing is the cross-platform support. AppFlowy is available on macOS, on Windows, on Linux, even on Android. Your workspace stays synchronized across devices. Now, what is the pricing like? There is a free plan for individuals and small groups to organize everything, and there is a pro plan at $10 per month when billed annually. Now, if you're looking to self-host, there's also a free plan, and there are different plans. There's the Seed $1 per month, there's the One plan at $6 per month, Teams plan at $10 per seat per month, and there's an Enterprise plan where you get a custom-made pricing. Now, what are the pros and cons of using AppFlowy? First, we talk about the pros. There's a free plan, you own your data, it supports offline work, self-hosting gives organizations complete control, its database features are becoming extremely powerful, and the integration of AI is excellent. It works across all major operating systems. And what about the cons? Some advanced collaboration features are still not as quite polished as long-established competitors. And for brand new users, the huge number of customization options may feel overwhelming. But here's the big question once again: is AppFlowy actually the Notion killer? Well, the answer depends on what matters to you. If your priority is privacy, data ownership, offline access, self-hosting, and flexible AI, And maybe you also love rapid innovation, then AppFlowy has become one of the strongest alternatives available today. For developers and privacy-conscious users, also startups, educators, freelancers, researchers, and even many businesses, AppFlowy is absolutely worth trying. And that's it on the review of AppFlowy. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Notion, Obsidian, and Anytype. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.